This windy week, I am testing the Cupra Leon. This is a sporty 5-seater hatch. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this video is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Cupra Leon, there are ISOFIX in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but nice and easy to connect to just through a slit in the seat fabric. Now, I could fit two Infosecure child seats really nicely in the back here. I have got the Adapt More infant capsule rear facing and the Achieve More child seat forward facing. Now, we found legrooms not too bad in here. With a forward facing child seat, we found that a 186 centimetre driver can sit in front. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the Cupra Leon, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. You can also control the rear aircon through the front media screen, and you can lock it too. Storage in the back of the Cupra Leon is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with two cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and there's a little central one that's a good size for a child's sippy cup. There are mat pockets in the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad, and the door bins in the back are a good size. They will hold a refillable water bottle. Storage in the front is quite minimal. There are two cup holders in the central console. They will fit a disposable or a reusable coffee cup, however not both at the same time. Only one of them is usable at a time. In front of the gear lever is a phone charging well, and the central console box is small in here but does have a 12-volt socket. The glove box is a really good size. That will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. There's no glasses case in the ceiling, but the front door bins are nice and big. They will hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. The media system in the Cupra Leon is, I find, very modern, however a little bit impenetrable to deal with. Now, you do control the climate through here, which is great, and it's nice and easy. You've also got a little bit of temperature controls on here too. Which is great. I do find accessing this while driving a little bit much. Now, you can lock and control the rear aircon through this screen too, which is great. You can also control a lot of other things throughout the car as well, just through the controls in the bottom here. Now, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. And when you put it into reverse, those camera images are lovely and clear, and you can turn the parking sensors on and off on the screen too, which is great. The boot door of the Cupra Leon opens manually. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty will hold 10 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 2 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a small to medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Gifle Wagon, which is a versatile 6-in-1 pram. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Gifle Wagon cart fits with 2 shopping bags, and the Gifle Wagon holds up to 60 kilos of cargo inside the wagon too. The Gifle Wagon with its seat fits with 2 shopping bags. The Gifle Wagon with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 2 shopping bags, and the Gifle Wagon in full fold with the bassinet fits with 4 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Gifle Wagon.
The Cupra Leon is a really great car to drive. The steering is so light, it's incredible. The turning circle is really small as well. It's really easy to manoeuvre and to park and things like that, especially tight school and supermarket car parks. It's really lovely and easy. Visibility is really good out of here. Even with the child seats in the back, you can see nicely out of the back too. Now, this is seriously a fun car to drive. It's a very fast and nippy, and once you drop the kids off, you can have a really nice drive in it. So to sum up with the Cupra Leon, it does make a great fun family hatch. You can fit those 2 Infosecure child seats really nicely in the back, and the Gifle Wagon 6-in-1 pram fits in the boot too. The drive is fantastic fun, especially once you've dropped the kids off at school. The media system is good, it's got that Apple CarPlay as well, and if you really want to get this one over the line with the family, you can do it.